In this video, I am going to tell you how you can verify TXT record for Sedo.com. So first of all, you need to go to your Sedo account and open this, and you need to look for your domain section, and in domain you can see domain or ownership verification option is showing. Just tap on this domain ownership verification option. So herein you will get your personal ID for domain verification. This is a personal ID which you need to copy, and then you need to go to your registrar. For example, I go to my registrar which is Namecheap. So it can be any registrar. You can go to your domain and simply look for manage option in front of your domain, and then you need to go to an advanced DNS. The steps may vary for different registrars. You just need to look for TXT option. Herein you need to look for add record in front of your DNS, and you need to look for this option TXT record, and herein you need to in host you need to simply type @ and herein you need to type your TXT record, and just click on save changes. That's it. And after that your verification will be completed within few hours, or it may take a day or so. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.